Alright, hi again. Welcome to the final portion of the Mickey Mouse tutorial. Okay, we're going to finish off with the Mickey Mouse graphic by creating the mouth and the tongue. Okay, however, from the last tutorial, we have forgotten to shift the nose and the grin nearer to the nose, so we'll do that now. Alright, select both the nose and the grin. You can use the mouse, the arrow key on the keyboard to just nudge it closer to the nose. Alright. However, in my case, the grin is a little bit higher, so I will need to select both of them and drag it downwards. However, we will first need to create the mouth, so we will shift the grin to the side, so we have some space here for our mouth. Alright. Now let us zoom in closer to the chin area. Okay. To create the mouth, we will need to first create an ellipse or an oval. Okay. I will fill it with black. Change the dimension to 15 by 13. Alright, and then I will move it somewhere around here. Okay, we will also need to trim off certain portion, okay, around here of the mouth. So we're going to do that by creating another oval and fill it with any other color that you wish. Okay, I will change the dimension of this particular oval to 25 and 15. Right, I will move it in such a way that I will cover a certain portion of the mouth that we have created. Okay, next thing to do is to select both the objects and select trim from the toolbar. Okay, when you have done that, you should see that the parts of the mouth is deleted or removed. Right, so I'll just remove my oval. Okay, next I will then drag the green back into the drawing. Okay. Right, now let us just shift this mouth onto the green. Okay, however, there are some gaps over here, which means to say I will need to use the shape tool and adjust my notes. Okay, I can actually zoom in further. Okay, now we will next want our mouth to be a little bit sharper at the bottom, so we will drag this part inwards. However, you can see that this portion over here is distorted. The reason behind it is because of this note over here. So let me just undo the previous action. Okay, how do we go about rounding out about this problem is we can actually delete this particular note. Okay, how do we do that? You can right click on the note and click on delete. Alright, this way your curve will be smoother. Okay, do the same thing to here. Okay, another way of deleting a particular note is to double click on it. Alright, then I'll shift it inwards here. Alright, and you can adjust a little bit at the bottom here. There you go. The mouth is done. Okay, let me just zoom back to the page. Next thing we will need to do will be the tongue. Alright, the tongue is made up of two ovals, so we're going to create one first. I drag an ellipse and change the color to red, and I will change the dimension to 8 by 4 millimeters, and then I will rotate it. Okay, and I will duplicate it and flip it to the right. Okay, drag it in here. Okay, the next thing you need to do is just to select both of them and weld them together as one, and move it into your drawing. Okay, you can make some modification as well if you wish to. Okay, and there we go. Our Mickey Mouse is done. Okay, maybe this is a bit bigger. Just adjust it. Okay. Now, if you do not wish to see the guidelines again, you can actually remove them by right-clicking on it and click delete. An alternative way will be selecting it and press the delete button on your keyboard. Alright, I hope you have learned well in this lesson. So until the next tutorial, and see you. Bye.